Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a delicious pork dish. These are pork paws. Then, it will be washed and rinsed 3 times. Add little wine when it is boiling. You can add little whiskey even instead. It will be boiled again. It is immersed in boiling water so that blood and fat come out. The remnant water is thrown away. Drain the water out and clean it 3 or 4 times. These are boiled, washed, and cleaned pork paws. These are ingredients: dried red chili, cinnamon, garlic, red onions, ginger, orange dry skins, bay leaves, cumin seeds, Chinese star spices, Chinese peppers, Chinese 枸杞子 herbs, Chinese dry fruit. You may skip these items if not available. Add all these ingredients together. Add water and cover it. Add Chinese soy sauce 1½ tablespoons. Add dark soy sauce. Add sweet soy sauce. This is oyster sauce. Sweet soybean paste. These additives give a good smell and color. Dilute this water before adding. It is boiling at a moderate flame. Now, it will be boiled and at half flame for about half an hour. It is almost ready now. Prick it with a chopstick until it feels soft. A moderate flame, the water evaporates slowly so that meat becomes softer. Extract cooked pork and decorate as you wish. This is ready to serve for 2 persons. Enjoy.
This dish is called in Chinese 炖猪爪子。炖猪爪子。